The volcano that triggered the French Revolution? In 1783, the Laki volcano erupted, one of the deadliest in history. But the real danger wasn't lava, it was the toxic gas. It drifted across Europe, poisoned crops, and darkened skies for months. In France, harvests failed, bread prices soared. People were starving, and when people are hungry, they rise. Historians believe this disaster pushed an already angry population over the edge, and boom, the French Revolution began, all because of a volcano thousands of miles away.